Good morning, students. I am Dr. Sundareshan, Vijaya College, Department of Physics, Vijaya College, Bangalore. Today, the topic I am going to discuss is sort of elasticity, which you have already studied, you have come across in the lower classes. Let me tell some fundamentals of this. Suppose you take any body, right, and you apply a force, an external force. I apply some external force. The body changes its shape, or you can call deformation. Deformation. And this external force is also called deformation force. And as soon as you remove this force, what will happen? The body comes back. What do you mean by this? There is an internal force act on the body, which will regain. The body regain its original position or configuration, you can call it. Therefore, all bodies can be deformed. Any body you can take, you apply a force, then the body changes its shape, and this force is called deforming force. Say example, it is a rubber cord or a wire having an area, A is the area of cross section. It is having a length L0. It is fixed at a rigid support, right? The length naught is equal to 10 meter. Now I apply a force. This is called deforming force. As a result, what happens? There is a elongation of the length, right? This is 10 meter. This is 10.2 meter. It comes. That means how much is increased? 0.2 meter. So much it increases. Therefore, this is L1. This is L2. From here to here, L1. This is L2. There is a change in length. Change in length is called L2 minus L1. And the change in length is also called the extension, we call. Therefore, the extension directly proportional to the force, applied force. Right? Therefore, the same way, if you have a book, right? If you have a book, this is the length, this is breadth, something like that. Then I am applying a force. Just when I am applying a force, when I apply a force on this such a thick book, what will happen? There is a displacement. There is a displacement takes place. That means the body, it was in this shape. When you apply a force, what force? Deforming force. There is a deformation takes place. It is shifted so much distance. Theta is the angle, right? And it remains a fixed, this force. This is called deforming force. Force is acting on this much area. Similarly, you take a ball, you compress in all direction, right? The volume decreases, original volume and new volume. There is a change in volume because of force acting everywhere. Therefore, in general, you can say all bodies can be deformed by an applying suitable force, right? And the external force is also called deforming force, right? External force also called deforming force. Once you remove this deforming force, the body regains its original position. This property is called elasticity. What is called elasticity? After deforming force is removed, the body regains its original shape. Then you say the body is what? Exactly elastic. Elastic body. Therefore, when you can call elastic body, that is after the deforming force is removed, the body regains its original shape and size. Then we can say the body is what? Elastic body. or the force is called restoring, what is deforming force or external force, right? Therefore, what is deforming force? Okay, see, it take only 5 minutes for you to do this. The question I'll ask, what is elasticity? Explain elasticity, right?